Hello and welcome to another How to Play. We're going to have a look at Jolene, but this is the Miley Cyrus version that she did with her band, and it's actually relatively easy, as you can see from the few number of chords that there are. If this is your sort of thing, don't forget like and subscribe is always appreciated. So let's just go through what the song is basically about, and it's these three chords. So you've got C minor, E flat and B flat. If you use those inversions, so with the G on the bottom for the C minor, to get to the E flat you're only moving your finger from the C to the B flat, and then the B flat with the F at the bottom. That makes it really easy to move around. And the pattern that you start with is just hanging out on the C minor chord. So in my band, what we do is start with brushes on the snare, then the bass, then the guitar, then the keys, and then you get into the song. And it really does get people up and dancing. It's a great little version of the song. So what you're going to start doing with the keys is this pattern. And you can keep going round that until the singer is ready to start. So all you're really doing is playing. I'm adding in a C, but basically it's the G and that E flat over the C root note. So you're just sort of walking around the scale there. And I'm just adding in that extra C. And all I'm doing with the left hand is using C, G and C. When you get to the actual verse and chorus, you're going to need to change the chords, and they change fairly quickly, so that's why it's good to have them close together under your fingers. And that sequence goes a bit like this. So you see it goes back to that beginning pattern as well, so remember that. That's literally all there is to it. Hopefully you're now seeing me in 1080p, which is the first time that I'm actually using a double Mac Mini setup to record these sessions. So hopefully we can keep this up. Like and subscribe, always appreciated, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.